important is money to you at this time in your life? How important are you to you and for your family? What guarantee do you have for a solid and prosperous economic future? Or again, how much would you like to retire early rather than live your life at work? Whatever the driving force that pushed you to see this video, that reason is important to you. You will surely want to know the right answers to these questions and know how to implement them in your life without putting it off any longer. The time has come to really work on it without continuing to only have false hopes for a life that you think you can achieve, but is not so. In this video, I put everything practical, quick, and immediate into understanding how to do it. The first important thing is knowledge. Then we move on to practical actions. Friends, the project team welcomes you to the ULTIMA business presentation. Today, in this webinar, we'll discuss not only technologies in the future, but also the opportunity to build a stable, future-oriented business for yourself. In the next 10 minutes, you'll learn about a product that the team has been working on, without exaggeration, for 7 years. A product with a formula for success in the crypto market. A brief disclaimer explaining that the project adheres to all legal regulations. The reality is that 99% of people's problems worldwide can be solved with money, so making money is always important, especially in these uncertain times when it's challenging to attain confidence about the future. Today, you'll get answers to these important questions: how to earn money, how to save it, and multiply it. In the modern world, it's crucial to seek opportunities. One such opportunity arose with launch of the internet, which is now used by over 4 billion people. Many people have become millionaires thanks to the internet. Today, a new opportunity has emerged for anyone who wants to earn but doesn't have vast resources. It's blockchain technology, still in its early stages of development. Blockchain is a real financial revolution happening right now. The potential of the blockchain market is enormous. While the internet has 4.4 billion users, blockchain has only 50 million users and 350 million wallets. Each of you has probably heard about cryptocurrencies, a market that already boasts over 100 million many using cryptocurrency as an alternative users with form of payment. Large companies have long seen the potential in the blockchain and cryptocurrency market. They are integrating blockchain into their current products and creating new ones at the intersection of cryptocurrencies and the traditional economy. On the slide, you can see companies already using blockchain in their operations. This presentation will focus on ULTIMA, a token on the innovative and fully decentralized smart blockchain with open source code. The project started in Switzerland in 2016. In 7 years, the project's community has exceeded 2.8 million users and continues to rapidly expand in over 100 countries worldwide. ULTIMA's creator is Alex Reinhardt, an entrepreneur, venture investor, a leading expert in blockchain and crypto technologies, and the founder of several projects and companies with a total capitalization of over 1 billion euros. ULTIMA's goal is to unite everyone interested in using crypto technologies, create a bridge between the real economy and the crypto market, and help millions worldwide save, earn, and multiply. It's not enough to launch a cryptocurrency. You need to organize an entire infrastructure around the token to create demand on token, provide liquidity, and attract a community. But most importantly, it should benefit people, ensuring continuous community growth. The team is working on a debit card, a marketplace, an exchange, and many other projects that are already operational or being launched. ULTIMA is an innovative token with a powerful hyperdeflationary model. Hyperdeflation is the rapid reduction of an asset's supply in the market, leading to scarcity that stimulates price growth. This presentation discusses the system built on this principle. In devising a deflationary strategy, the team analyzed the metrics of various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, aiming to create a perfect deflationary model that ensures stable growth for ULTIMA. On this slide, you can see a comparison between ULTIMA and Bitcoin based on key hyperdeflationary factors. One key difference is the daily coin supply entering the market. 900 for Bitcoin and only 50 for ULTIMA. The main factor influencing ULTIMA's price is shelving. It's the constant halving of the token supply entering the market. Like all other processes in ULTIMA, the halving process is automatic and embedded in the blockchain. The halving occurs every 10 million blocks, approximately every year. The screen shows that the number of tokens entering the market will decrease until it reaches 1 in 2028. On the slide, you can observe how the influx of ULTIMA into the market will gradually decrease. Halving is an incredibly powerful tool to reduce supply, creating excitement in the market. After all, everyone understands it's more profitable to buy now while there's a chance to receive maximum rewards. ULTIMA's hyperdeflation strategy consists of 4 factors. Emission limitation. ULTIMA is capped at a total of 100,000 tokens, marking one of the lowest emission levels in the market. This rule is hard-coded to guarantee that no more tokens can be physically obtained. The daily supply limit is 50 tokens at the start. Pool commission of 3%. That's how much will be permanently withdrawn from the market with its transaction and frozen in a separate repository. ULTIMA's task is to increase the community to 100 million and raise the token price above 100,000. The size of the community and the price are 2 factors that are inseparably linked. A large community creates demand that affects the price, and a high price attracts more new users. How does the product work? The project team explains this in the simplest terms. Imagine blockchain as a decentralized bank that belongs to no one and contains some resources, in this case, ULTIMA coins. In this blockchain, a so-called account is created, containing a significant number of frozen coins. This account needs constant replenishment to maintain liquidity. Therefore, people are needed to fill it with tokens, helping its liquidity. This account is called the delegated liquidity pool. It is fully decentralized and managed only by the blockchain. Essentially, the pool is an address where cryptocurrencies are stored. The absence of a human factor ensures the security of tokens in the pool. Users actively populate the pool themselves by participating in product purchases and, as a result, entering into a specialized smart contract. Liquidity pool agreement. According to the terms of this contract, the pool commits to pay a lifetime reward to users who fill it with tokens, and this reward is not limited in time. After you, your children will be able to receive tokens, and then their children, and so on. This system is already operating, and hundreds of thousands of people receive their rewards from the blockchain daily. Most importantly, this business model is mathematically calculated until 2255, almost like Bitcoin. According to our calculations, in 6 years, there will be 82,000 tokens in the pool. If no new tokens enter the pool, it will last 227 years. Generations will change, and the system will continue to work. This is the true power of mathematics and blockchain. This decentralization makes blockchain a unique solution for preservation and multiplication. How does it all work? There are 2 pools, the community pool, green, and the VIP pool, red. How do you enter these pools? 1. Purchase a split license. The license determines your limit on split tokens. 2. Pay for the split contract, a mechanism for filling the pool with liquidity. After paying the split contract, split tokens will be created, which you can withdraw to your wallet. 3. After that, you can receive daily rewards for owning split tokens, and the more splits you have, the higher your rewards. What is the difference between the 2 pools? The community pool is designed for a large number of participants. To start earning with the Unity pool, you only need a €110 license. The green pool is the perfect way to start your business with ULTIMA. For those with limited resources, you can start almost from scratch and achieve significant results. For those with sufficient resources who want to multiply them quickly, starting the journey with the VIP pool is better, This pool is for those with big ambitions, for those who want to truly earn a lot. If the green pool is a starting tool, then the red pool is the ideal solution to preserve and multiply your funds. Another important difference between the pools is the final cost of the split. In the red pool, the cost of the split is significantly lower. Looking at the crypto market for several years, one cannot help but wonder, why do some get rich on cryptocurrencies while others lose everything? There is an answer to this. It lies in 5 simple rules, following which you can not only preserve your funds, but also multiply them by buying cryptocurrencies. You see these rules on the screen. Buy cheap and sell expensive. Hold the cryptocurrency for 3 years. Be patient and wait until the price increases by 3, 5, and even 10 times. If growth occurs earlier, do not sell. Keep holding. Buy tokens monthly. Forget about selling cryptocurrency, even in the most extreme circumstances. Never forget the 5 rules. Why will ULTIMA grow? One of the powerful growth factors is the community. The product is not created from scratch. ULTIMA's community already has 2.8 million users, and the number of users is constantly growing. And this is just the beginning. The team's goal is to reach 100 million users. Perhaps the basis for ULTIMA's growth is halving. This unique system of constant supply reduction will stimulate colossal demand. There will be fewer tokens on the market, but there will be more users. This will create a real buzz. Many cryptocurrencies use this growth tool. However, ULTIMA's halving rules are the strictest and most powerful at the same time. If Bitcoin's halving occurs every 4 years, then in ULTIMA, it happens much more often. Every 10 million blocks. ULTIMA's goal is to achieve a stable price of $10,000, $20,000 before the first halving. The next goal in 2024 to 2025 is $30,000, $50,000. To achieve these goals, the community needs to strictly follow the golden rules of the crypto market, and the team needs to adhere to the planned halvings. So, how do you receive ULTIMA? There are 3 options. 1. Buy on the exchange. You can earn through trading or simply buy the token for the long term. However, this requires you to know technical analysis, understand charts, and find entry points. 2. Purchase splits and receive rewards. This is the fastest and safest way to get ULTIMA tokens. 3. Build a business by actively recommending the product and receive rewards for successful recommendations. The ULTIMA project is very transparent. On this slide, you can see where different tokens are located and frozen. Tokens in the green pool, in the VIP pool, tokens allocated for other products, and so-called walls for market making. Scan the QR codes, and you will see the entire token economy. Another growth factor for ULTIMA is a clear step-by-step development strategy. Now on the screen, you see the development roadmap of the project. As you can see, all products planned for the first stage were successfully completed on time. In early 2024, ULTIMA expects halving. New listings and other ecosystem products will be launched. The project team hopes it has intrigued you with the technology discussed in this presentation. This technology is truly unique. You can receive rewards from the blockchain or build your full-fledged business. The team recommends that you spend half an hour learning about it. How do you start, and where do you find detailed information? It's simple. Now, on the screen, you see QR codes. These are links to detailed video instructions. Scan them to learn more about ULTIMA. Join the ULTIMA project right now. If you want more information about the ULTIMA project, contact the person who allowed you to see this video. Thank you for listening to this presentation. We are waiting for you and the team.